You may encounter issues like playback lag or mismatch aspect ratios, but don't worry, we will discuss common sequence issues and how to troubleshoot them effectively, so you can keep your editing process running smoothly. If you encounter common sequence issues like playback lag or aspect ratio mismatches, don't panic. Premiere Pro offers several troubleshooting options to help resolve these issues. One common issue is aspect ratio mismatch. If your sequence aspect ratio doesn't match your footage, it can lead to black bars or distortion. To fix this, you can adjust the sequence settings to match your footage. Click on the sequence menu at the top of the screen, then select sequence settings. From there, you can adjust the frame rate size and aspect ratio to match your footage. Or right-click on it and choose Set to Frame Size. You can also render your timeline. Rendering your timeline can also help improve playback performance, especially if you have transitions or effects applied to your clips. To render your timeline, go to Sequence at the top and then click Render In to Out, and then it will render. Or you can press the shortcut. Just click on the video highlighted in red and press Enter on your keyboard. Premiere Pro will render your timeline, creating preview files that make playback smoother. You might also see a red line above your clips in the timeline. This means Premiere Pro needs to render those sections for smoother playback. Rendering helps your video play smoothly by creating preview files for the sections marked with the red line. After rendering, the red line will turn to green. To render specific parts of your project, set in and out points by moving the playhead where you want to start, and then pressing I on the keyboard, then moving into where you want to end, then pressing O on the keyboard. Premiere Pro will render the sections between these points, making it easier to work on specific parts of your project for a smoother editing experience. Once you highlighted it, go to Sequence and then click on Render In and Out, or press the Enter on the keyboard.